Hello everyone. Welcome back to Mama Habit 84. To my current and new subscribers, thank you all for subscribing to Mama Habit 84. Hope everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving with their family and friends. So this is a bag reveal today. So I did purchase this bag from Phillips. So this is the new Kirby Hobo bag. And you do have your Dooney and Bourke gold plate right here. And this is the side of the bag. So you do have that little brown leather right here, and you have these stitches coming down on the side of the bag. And this is the back of the bag. So you do have a back zipper pocket. And this is how the bag is looking. You have that red interior in the back zipper pocket. So this is the other side. So you have that same stitching on this side and the look leather that is coming down. And this is the bottom of the bag. So you do have your protective feet on the bottom of this bag. So this is a very nice bag, you all. I love the way this bag feels. And I also purchased the wristlet. So this is the wristlet. Okay, so this is how the wristlet is looking in the inside. So you do have your credit card slots right here. And you do have a slip back pocket right here. So you can use this for a wallet also. Okay, so let's get in the inside of this bag. Okay, so this is how the inside of this bag is looking. So you do have a dust bag that comes with the bag. So let's remove all the paper. Okay, so this is how the inside of the bag is looking. So you do have that red interior in the inside of this bag. So you have two front pockets right here. You have a back zipper pocket and you have your back slot pocket right here. And you also have a key keeper right here. Okay, and I will just give y'all a real good look at the bag close up. And so I do have a haul for you all also. So I purchased some lip balm. So I love the package that is on this. Okay. So I have some more lip balms and I love the package too with the little penguins on here. Okay, so I also picked up this Hello Kitty compact mirror. So you all, so every time when I would go into Marshall or TJ Maxx and look for this Hello Kitty mirror, they did not have it. So when they had it this time, I went ahead and purchased this. So the next item that I purchased is some 8-piece scented hand cream, and it do come with a manicure set. So you have your peppermint swirl, you have your vanilla fudge, you have your gingerbread cookie, you have winter candy apple, and you have twist berry. Nice fragrance hand cream, hand lotion. Okay, so the next thing I purchased is this lip oil duo from Walgreens. So every time around the holiday, Walgreens bring these little different sets out. So yeah, so this is a beautiful lip duo oil. Okay, so the next thing I purchased is this little pouch right here. A very nice pouch. Okay, so the next thing that I purchased is this Hello Kitty hand cream in the strawberry peach. Okay, and so I did go by Dollar Tree, and I purchased this silicone lip scrub. And I did purchase some this tinted lip oil that they have out. And I purchased the lip oil in the peach scent. And I purchased the strawberry lip oil. And I purchased some more the peach scented. And I also purchased the clear lip gloss. And I also purchased the lip balm in the red velvet. I had to get this because I love red velvet cake so much. Okay, and I also purchased some more lip balm in the express shot. And I purchased the Coca-Cola lip smacker, you all. So if you all like this video, please hit the like, hit the share, and hit the subscribe button until the next video.